It's a Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey, Caribbean.
Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey,
It's a
Caribbean.
Caribbean love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First, I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers. Y'all the real MVP. Thank you so much. If y'all want to learn how to make this delicious rice, stay tuned. Alright guys, to start out, you need coconut milk. It is completely optional. You need water. I'm using my Haitian hate piece. You need hot pepper with gloves. You need 2 Maggi cubes, pigeon peas, parsley with thyme, tomato paste, and butter. I will list all the exact measurement down below. My oil. I'm adding my Haitian A piece and I'm going to let it fry for about 3 minutes. You want to have cups of pigeon peas. I'm adding my Goya seasoning. A tablespoon of tomato paste. And then I'm going to let it cook for 5 minutes.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
You want to make sure you stir so all the tomato paste can spread out and cook throughout the beans. Like this. I like my beans well cooked. They just give it that extra kick to it, so I'm going to let it fry for a little bit more before I add my coconut milk. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. I'm adding my 1 cup of coconut milk. And I'm gonna let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. You wanna let it cook before adding water, so it doesn't give it that, so when your rice is done it doesn't taste like pure coconut. So let it cook for a good 3 to 5 minutes before adding water to it. Okay.
Turn on the notification bell for upcoming videos.
Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'm adding 4 cups of water. Add my parsley and thyme, my bell pepper, Maggi cube, and I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using Lily Haitian butter, however you can use any type of butter that you prefer. I'm going to let it boil, and while it's boiling I'm going to wash my rice. Rice 3 times. It's completely optional. I am going to add my rice. My cameraman is sleeping, so I have to use one hand while I'm doing this, and the other one is recording. Okay, one trick that I've learned, if you have too much water, you can always remove some water from your rice if you don't want it to be too soggy. Just remove some, and that's it. I'm going to let it boil for another couple minutes until all the okay, it's been about 8 minutes. All the water has evaporated. I'm going to remove the bell pepper, parsley and thyme, put it aside. And I'm going to turn it down on low heat. so my rice can fully cook. Okay, final check for the rice. This is how it looks like. It is ready to be served. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions. Just write it down below and I will try the best that I can to reply to each and every one of you. Have a good day and I'll see you in my next video.